Hello student, we continue the question based on mensuration. The next question which come in IGESO 2008, the question is a cylinder of radius 6 centimeter and height h centimeter is filled with ice cream. The ice cream is then distributed. Ice cream is then distributed among 10 children in identical cones having hemispherical tops. The radius of the base of the cone is 3 centimeter and its height is 12 centimeter. Then the height h of the cylinder must be. The height of the cylinder h must be. Now let's see how we can do this question. हमें एक सिलेंडर दे रखा है जिसका रेडियस 6 है सेंटीमीटर है. So this is a cylinder. Of radius 6 centimeter. Height is small h centimeter. इसमें एक आइसक्रीम भरी हुई है और उस आइसक्रीम को हम डिस्ट्रीब्यूट कर रहे हैं among 10 students in identical cones with hemispherical top in this way. Okay, so the radius of the cone is 3 centimeter and the height of the cone 12 centimeter. So we have to find the height of this cylinder. Basically concept ये रहेगा कि जो आइसक्रीम सिलेंडर के अंदर थी वो हमने कोन में शिफ्ट कर दी है. तो we can say that the volume of the cylinder is equals to 10 times the volume of this object, this cone. Okay, so the volume of the cylinder, we know that the pi r square h is equals to 10 times the volume of this cone. So the volume of this cone is 10 times the volume of this cone. Volume of the cone, this cone is the volume of cone plus this hemispherical. So the cone का volume निकाल सकते हैं 1/3 pi capital R square capital H plus hemisphere का volume हो जाएगा 2/3 pi capital R cube. Clear? Now we can take pi R square by 3 common. Pi R square by 3 common. In bracket we left with capital H plus 2R. This is equals to pi small r square small h. Pi get cancelled. Now we put the values. The value of small r is 6, so 6 square is 36. Small h we have to find out. 10 by 3. Capital H is 12 and capital R is 3, so 2 into 3, that is 6. So 36 into h is equals to 10 by 3, 12 plus 6, that is 18. So here we have r square as well. Capital R is 3, so r square is 9, so 9 is there. Now small h is equals to 9 into 10 into 18 divided by 3 into 30. Now 18 and 36 get cancelled 2 times. Now 3 is get cancelled 3 times and 10 and 2 get cancelled. So 3 into 5, that is 15. So the height of the cylinder is 15 centimeter. Okay, इस क्वेश्चन में बेसिक कंसेप्ट यही था कि वॉल्यूम्स remains the same. We move to the next question. In case of a right circular cylinder, the radius of the base and height are in the ratio. The radius of the base and height are in the ratio 2:3. Therefore, the ratio of lateral surface area, the ratio of the lateral surface area to the total surface area. हमें एक राइट सर्कुलर सिलेंडर का रेडियस और हाइट का रेशियो दे रखा है और हमसे लैटरल सरफेस एरिया और टोटल सरफेस एरिया का रेशियो पूछा जा रहा है. नाउ लेट्स सी हाउ वी कैन फाइंड दिस. रेडियस मान लेते हैं r है और हाइट h है. सो द रेडियस और हाइट का रेशियो दे रखा है 2:3. We assume that r is equals to 2x, let's say, and the height is 3x. Okay. Now we have to find the ratio of lateral surface area to the total surface area. Lateral surface area का formula हमें मालूम है, that is 2 pi RH. Total surface area का formula हमें मालूम है, that is 2 pi r bracket h plus r. So here 2 pi r get cancelled. We left with h upon h plus r. The value of h is 3x, and the value here again h is 3x, r is 2x. So 3x upon 5x. X get cancelled. So the lateral surface area to the total surface area ratio is 3:5. Now we move to the next question. A sphere and a cube. Sphere and cube. A sphere and a cube have equal surface area. The ratio of their volume is volume. हमें एक स्फीयर और क्यूब दे रखा है जिसका सरफेस एरिया इक्वल है and we have to find the ratio of their volume. Let's see how we can solve this. स्फीयर का रेडियस हम r मान लेते हैं और क्यूब की जो साइड है वो हम अज्यूम कर लेते हैं a है. Side of a cube is a and the radius is r. So अगर रेडियस r है तो सरफेस एरिया हो जाएगा 4 pi r square and the surface area of a cube is 6a square. हमें दोनों का सरफेस एरिया इक्वल गिवन है, so 4 pi r square equals to 6a square. So r square by a square equal to 6 divided by 4 pi, which is comes to be 3 upon 2 pi. So the r by a is equals to under root of 3 upon 2 pi. इस स्क्वायर इधर शिफ्ट कर दिया, रूट में कन्वर्ट हो गया. So r by a equals to 3 by under root of 3 by 2 pi. Now we have to find the ratio of their volume. So the volume of sphere to the volume of cube. Volume of sphere we know that 4 upon 3 pi r cube, and the volume of cube is a cube. So 4 by 3 pi r by a the whole cube. So 4 by 3 pi, the value of r by a is under root of 3 by 2 pi. Under root of 3 by 2 pi. इसका हमें क्या करना है? क्यूब. So इसका क्यूब करेंगे तो we get 4 by 3 pi. इसका क्यूब करेंगे तो we are getting 3 by 2 pi under root of 3 by 2 pi. Clear? Now here pi is get cancelled, 3 is get cancelled, and 4 and 2 is also get cancelled 2 times. Now इस 2 को अगर अपन रूट के अंदर ले जाएंगे तो we are getting 2 becomes 4 into 3 pi 2 pi. Now इस 4 से अपन 2 कैंसिल कर सकते हैं तो we are getting under root of 6 pi pi. So the ratio of the volume of sphere to the volume of cube is under root 6 pi pi. Okay, now we move to the next question. A cone is divided into two parts by drawing a plane through the midpoint of its axis parallel to its base. to its base. Then the ratio of the volume of the two parts. Then the ratio of the volume of the two parts. So let's see how we can solve this question. हमें एक कोण दे रखा है और इस कोण को हम कट कर रहे हैं. इसका कोण का हम लेट्स से हाइट एज्यूम कर लेते हैं कि हाइट है इसकी कैपिटल H एंड जो इसका रेडियस है हम एज्यूम कर लेते हैं वो है कैपिटल R. नाउ इस कोण को हम कट कर रहे हैं बाय अ प्लेन व्हिच इज पैरेलल टू इट्स बेस एंड इट इज पासेस थ्रू द मिड पॉइंट ऑफ द हाइट. सो दिस इज द मिड पॉइंट. ओके, इन पॉइंट्स को नाम देते हैं लेट्स से A, B, C. This point is let's say D and this point is E. We separately make this triangle. इस तरह से देखिए, ये A, ये B, ये C, ये D पॉइंट हो गया जो कि मिड पॉइंट है AB का, और E भी मिड पॉइंट हो जाएगा AC का by converse of midpoint theorem. Okay, so the height of the triangle AB is H or D is the midpoint, so AD is equals to H by 2 and DB is also equals to H by 2. Now BC is capital R. Now यहाँ से हमें clearly visible है कि जो triangle ADE है वो ABC के क्या है, similar है. So अगर triangle ADE similar है ABC के तो इनकी corresponding sides का ratio equal होगा. So AD by AB is equals to DE by BC. Now the length of AD is H by 2 and the length of AB is H and the length of D को हम small r assume कर लेते हैं और BC is capital R. So H से H cancel हो जाएगा. We are left with 1 by 2. Small r by capital R is 1 by 2. So I can say that the value of small r is capital R by 2. Now अब हमें इन दोनों पार्ट्स की वॉल्यूम का रेशियो निकालना है. तो अगर हम ध्यान से देखें तो ये जो अपर पार्ट है it is nothing but a cone and the lower part is nothing but a frustum. Okay, so basically we have to find the ratio of the volume of upper cone to the volume of frustum. Clear? So upper cone की बात करें तो upper cone का जो वॉल्यूम होगा that is 1 by 3 by the radius है that is small r and the height is h by 2. Okay, now frustum का वॉल्यूम हम जानते हैं that is 1 upon 3 by h तो हो गया इसका h by 2 frustum का, और small r square plus capital R square plus small r into capital R. This is the formula. Now here 1 upon 3 get cancelled, pi is also get cancelled. Now in this, now we have to put the value of small r is r by 2 in this whole equation. Here h by 2 is also get cancelled, h by 2, h by 2. Now in this equation we have to put the value of small r as capital R by 2. Put the value of small r as capital R by 2 and we are getting r by 2 the whole square and r by 2 the whole r square plus capital R square plus r by 2 into capital R, volume of upper cone to the volume of frustum. Okay, now here upper we get r square by 4. We can solve कर रहे हैं, we are getting r square by 4 plus r square plus r square by 2. So it is r square by 4. इस पूरी इक्वेशन में से पूरी एक्सप्रेशन से r square बाहर निकाल सकते हैं. We are left with 1 by 4 plus 1 plus 1 by 2. So r square get cancelled. So 1 upon 4 in subtraction area that is 4. We are getting 1 plus 4 plus 2. This 4 get cancelled. 4 plus 2, 6, 6 plus 1, 7, that is 1 by 7. So the required ratio is 1 by 7. Now we move to the next question. A conical vessel of radius 6 centimeter and height 8 centimeter is completely filled with water. A metal sphere is now lowered. A metal sphere is now lowered into the water. The size of the sphere is such that when it touches the inner surface, it just get immersed. The fraction of water that overflow from the conical vessel is. Now let's see how we can do this. We have given a cone, उस रेडियस is 6 और उसके अंदर हमने एक स्फीयर को इमर्स करवाया है. इसका रेडियस हमें दे रखा है कोन का, that is small r, that is 6, and the height, that is h, which is equals to 8. It is given in the question. Let's say this is the center of a sphere, or we have to find first the radius of the sphere. मान लेते हैं वो कैपिटल R है. So इस फिगर को हम कुछ इस तरह से बना सकते हैं. Let's say any points को हम नाम देते हैं. Let's say this is A, this is B, this is C, and this point is D, and this point is E. And we know that the radius and the tangent are perpendicular, so this is 90 degree, and this also is 90 degree. Okay. Now अगर हम observe करें triangle ABC is a right triangle, so we can find the length of AC. So AC is under root of AB square plus BC square. So the length of AB is 8. So 8 square plus 6 square. So 8 square is 64. 6 square is 36. That is root 100, which is 2 be 10. So the length of AC is 10. Now यहाँ से हमें दिखाई दे रहा है कि जो ट्राइंगल ADE है और ABC है, दोनों में एंगल एक कॉमन है, और ADE का जो एंगल E है that is 90 डिग्री, और ABC का जो एंगल B है वो है 90 डिग्री. So by angle criteria we can say that triangle ADE and ABC are similar. दोनों में एंगल एक कॉमन है. ADE का जो एंगल E है वो 90 डिग्री है और ABC का जो एंगल B है वो 90 डिग्री है. तो E equals to B हुआ. यहाँ पे लेटर रह गया D, यहाँ पे लेटर रह गया remaining C. So ADE is similar to ABC. So the ratio of the corresponding sides are now equal. So we can say that ED by BC is equals to AD by AC. AD by AC. So the value of ED is capital R, and the value of BC is small 6, and the value of AD, A से B का डिस्टेंस हमें मालूम है, that is 8, and D से B का डिस्टेंस है कैपिटल R. So A से D का डिस्टेंस जो होगा that is 8 minus capital R, which is equals to 8 minus capital R divided by AC. The value of AC is 10. Now, as we solve this equation by cross multiplying, we get R is equals to 3. The value of R is equals to 3. Now, हमसे पूछा गया था कि कितना वाटर ओवरफ्लो होगा. So the fraction of the water overflow जो वाटर ओवरफ्लो होगा वो स्फीयर की वजह से होगा, तो उतना ही पानी ओवरफ्लो होगा। तो कितना पानी फ्लो हुआ, दैट इज द वॉल्यूम ऑफ स्फीयर। कितना वॉल्यूम था उसके अंदर इनिशियली, दैट इज द वॉल्यूम ऑफ, so the required fraction is equals to the volume of sphere to the volume of cone. So the volume of sphere is 4 upon 3 pi capital R cube, and the volume of the cone is 1 upon 3 pi small r square small h. So pi by 3 get cancelled. We put the values 4 capital R हमने find कर ही लिया, that is 3, so 3 का cube that is 27, small r की value 6 दे रखी थी हमें, तो 6 का square that is 36, small h हमें दे रखा था 8। नाउ 4 से हमने 8 को कैंसिल किया 2 टाइम्स, 9 से ये कैंसिल हो जाएगा 3 टाइम्स और ये 4 टाइम्स, so the required ratio is 3/8. Thank you.